paddy works on the railway. In 1842 from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the railway.
Hello. The thing with me is I've got good willpower. I can resist absolutely anything, with one exception. Temptation. Can't resist that at all. So today I've got a little unboxing video of a new toy I bought myself. And this is literally unboxing because I've not even opened this box yet. So what did I buy? It's black. It's sexy. And if it breaks down when I'm 114, I can still get it repaired under guarantee. If I'm still sharpening then. I bought myself a Tormek T8 Black Edition, 50th anniversary edition, with a diamond wheel. And I'm about to open the box for the first time. So we've got a seal on here. Hey, that knife will be sharper later. Let's have a change of camera. We have welcome to the Tormek family. A fancy leaflet showing you what's available. A sticker for my sticker wall. Well, it's not a sticker wall, it's actually my air filter, but hey. Warranty certificate, 50 years. It's a 5-year standard guarantee that they give, plus 45 years. Thing about diamond sharpening wheels, apply only low pressure, same as all of similar things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books. A dust cover to keep your machine pristine looking when it's in your workshop. I don't know how that's going to work in my workshop. And a piece of cardboard to keep that like a folded shirt, I suppose. Over there. Permanent marker pen. This is the angle setting jig. This is a metal, I think it's zinc, but angle guide for checking your gauges at the angle you want. Some anti-corrosion concentrate. You add this to water. 10 ml of concentrate is 250 ml of water. So that should last a while. And what you always get with Tormek, a bag of plasters for when you cut yourself. I say when Tormek put the plasters in there because they know it's going to happen at some point. You take something off, you think, I wonder if that's sharp, and you put your finger on it because you do, don't you? Take the packaging away. Now, I've had a tour mat before, so I do know what all these bits are. This is like a water chute for when you're doing planing blades and things that splash water everywhere. I have no idea what that bit is. Looks like a magnetic thing that we'll figure out what it is later. And this is the key to the whole system, is this toolbar that all the jigs fit onto, and this micro adjust wheel so you can dial in exactly. I don't very often dial in exactly, I get roughly. More polystyrene. The water tray. This is a wet grinder, so you know water tray is a key part. More polystyrene. One diamond wheel. It's really quite heavy. This is the what they call a fine wheel. It's a 600 grit. Put that down there for now. And the machine itself. Let's change camera again. So it doesn't come with a diamond wheel installed. It does come with a UK plug. And yeah, that's the side that you would normally sharpen from, so I'll leave it that way around for now. This is a left-hand thread, this locking wheel. It does say lock and unlock on it, so you shouldn't get it wrong. Plastic cover to reveal a greased stainless steel shaft. Stainless steel for longevity, obviously. These things do run in water, so left-hand thread to put it back on. The water tray clips on here. This is effectively a T8 with extended guarantee, painted black, and made to look pretty. So you wind that up and put the wheel into the water. And the reason I sold my old Tormac was because it was a stone wheel. The diamond wheels didn't exist back then, and you had to keep dressing it so it got smaller and smaller. And when you set it up, it took 10 minutes to absorb the water into it, and 10 minutes to clean it up at the end of the day, and I got fed up with it. So along with the Tormac, I bought the wood toners sharpening jig kit. So I'm going to pause the video where I put the Tormac to one side, and we'll come back to the jig kit. The jig kit. I'm not saying how much I spent on this. Anybody that was Google can find out. Interesting, this was shipped from Axminster, but I bought it from Yandles because Yandles' price was lower than Axminster's. Despite having a trade account with Axminster, which appears to give you no discount on anything at all, from what I can see. It's rather pointless, really. Ouch thing. So slide out lid. Another standard cover for your tool mech. Okay. Bit of a waste of money, really, having two of them. Now this is the change of honing wheels for wood turning stuff. And the spindle to run them on. Extended spindle. We'll get to that in a minute. Standard angle table that you put on your bar and adjust to the angle you want. Disadvantage of that over the Pro Edge is the Pro Edge has got numbers on it and slots, and you just drop them in. Much easier. Don't know if you can hear that noise in the background, but that's the text coming in. I better check that in a minute. The skew jig. This was rather fiddly, as I remember it, but it does the job. Just takes a little bit of setting up. The all-important bowl and spindle gauge jig. Yeah, if they took these extra bits of junk like case and second set of plasters out, then they could drop the price a bit, couldn't they? And a turning jig, which you basically drop these two wheels onto the wheel once they're in line, either A or B, and your bar's in the right place. And another 1, 2, 3, 4 booklets of information that need reading. So, oh, there's another thing there. This is a little marker pen permanent marker pen for writing your recipe cards. One of the things with Tormac is you create a recipe for your sharpening, you write it on these and you stick it to your gouge. I don't know if you can buy new ones of these. I mean, you run out of gouges, you might run out of these. So there you go. My Tormac set up and running. Stood right next to my Pro Edge because that still has a purpose and will be kept. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. If you have forgotten to do it, please click thumbs up and leave a comment. It'd be much appreciated. Cheers for now.